What's up, outdo Productions coming back at you with another unboxing review video right here. As you can see, we have this beautiful baby, you feel me? Lacie 5Tb rugged USB-C external mobile storage, you feel me? Y'all see it's shock resistant, you feel me? That's what the rugged orange covering is. It also is a USB-C cable, as you can see. Rug design. Feel me? Lacie company, shout out Lacie. Feel me? Yeah. Let's get into it. Come on. We also have Adobe Creative Cloud. Y'all can see the seal, man. Y'all see that Lacie stamp seal, man. Yeah. Task work on now. Yes, y'all see it. Over here. Lacie 5TB storage drive. It's beauty. Sleek, nice design. Nice graded material. Y'all see the rubber rug that they was talking about in the design. Got the Lacie logo. Nice, unique design. In the boxes you see here, the USB-C cable. This is how it works, you feel me? Any Mac user. They got instincts too for the other users. You feel me? Team Mac over here. And this is how you install for anybody that needs a quick guide. Yeah. Designed by Neil Colton. Nice design, Neil Colton. Feel me? Yeah, I like Lacie company a lot though, you feel me? This is not our first time investing in Lacie, but come on. Invest into your craft, invest into your work. I'm gonna keep telling y'all that, you feel me? It's only gonna lead to better things. If this was a informational, dope, educational video for you, please drop a like, comment, subscribe, share, you feel me? We growing. I appreciate all the love, the engagement, the comments on the channel, you feel me? If this helps you out in any way, I recommend this, you feel me? I recommend you purchase this. This will help you out, whether it's a 2T or 1T. Just in this instance, if you're a Mac user or any other user, as it says here, but you're a Mac user, purchase this. This gonna help you out a lot, you feel me? Yes, so outdo Productions. Let y'all see this, you feel me? Real fast. This is what your cable look like. C-cord. I'm sure y'all know what a C-cord look like. But this is it. Feel me? Like, subscribe, comment, share. No, follow me at outdo Productions, you feel me? DM me if you want to work, create, you feel me? Let's turn up.